Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Study community. Before we get started, could you please like and share this video to support me, as well as subscribe this channel for more lessons. Alright, today we are going to learn how to write an IELTS writing task 1 essay, part 3. I'm going to show you some tips and common sentence structures to help you achieve high rank score. You know, a good IELTS writing task 1 essay includes 3 parts: introduction, overview, and 2 main paragraphs. In previous lessons, we are talking about how to paraphrase the question to write a good introduction and how to write a good overview for the essay. If you haven't watched them, please click the link below this video for more details. In task 1 of the academic IELTS writing exam, you have to summarize and describe the information given to you in some kind of chart, such as describe a pie chart, a line graph, a bar chart, a table, a diagram, or a map. Remember that you don't have time to describe everything, as well as you are not asked to describe everything. So, before we get started learning how to write 2 main paragraphs, let's have a look at marking criterion for IELTS writing task 1. Task achievement. You are required to identify all the key features, ensure accuracy when using data or describing chains of processes, writing a clear overview. This means summarize the most significant chains or features from the data or information in the diagram. I mentioned this quite clearly in the last video talking about how to write a good overview. You can watch it again by clicking the link below this video. Coherence. Paragraphs which are appropriately organized. Express one idea or set of ideas in each paragraph. Sum that theme in the first sentence of each paragraph. These become topic sentences, a simple recipe for effective paragraphs. IEE. Idea, explained, and examples. Cohesion. Linking words which connect ideas. When you want to add similar ideas, you could use in addition. Another reason is equally. Contrasting ideas, giving examples or evidence, lexical resources, using a wide range of vocabulary with accuracy in terms of spelling or word formation, grammar. Your essay is going to be marked in terms of sentence structure, tenses, punctuation, grammar range, and accuracy. Now, let's find out what tense to use in IELTS writing task 1. First of all, using the right tense in IELTS writing task 1 is essential. Depending on the days on the map, chart, graph, or diagram which are shown in the text, you can easily identify the right tense should be used. For example, if you see days in the past, you should use past tense. Days in the future, using future tense. Days in both past and future, using both past tense and future tense. No days, using present tense. Describe what happened before and up to a past time, using past perfect tense. For example, by 2018, food prices had risen by around 50 points. How to select and report the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Now, I'm going to show you main sentence structures that you can use in IELTS writing task 1 essay to describe main features, and some good comparison sentence structures you can use to achieve high rank score in this section. There are 8 common sentence structures that you can use in IELTS writing task 1 essay to describe the information. Don't forget to note down and practice as much as you can because we don't have much time to do task 1, just about 20 minutes. For example, there was a significant increase in food consumption during the 1980s. For example, the number of food consumption increased significantly from 10 to 25 tons per year in the 1990s. per year. There was a dramatic growth in the number of restaurants in the UK to 450,000 in 2010, followed by a sharp decrease to 30,000 in 2015. The number of restaurants in the UK experienced an increase to 450,000 in 2010 before hitting a free fall to 30,000 in 2015. The figure for restaurants in the UK hit a free fall to 30,000 in 2015 after undergoing an increase to 450,000 in 2010. In IELTS Writing Task 1, you are asked to make comparisons where relevant. So, these are some good comparison sentence structures you can use to achieve high bank score in this section. They consume and produce far more natural gas than other countries. Australia consumes 4 times more gas than New Zealand. New Zealand consumes the least gas at approximately 5 million tons. China's consumption and production of oil were nearly the same at 20.3 and 25 respectively. China's consumption and production of oil had similar fluctuations in 1990s. The UAE produced the same amount of oil as Saudi Arabia. The number of male doctors in this city were greater than the number of female doctors. The oil prices reached the highest in 1981 during the war. We will come back soon with real practice tests. So, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more lessons. If you have any questions, please comment below to let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.